Coded Phonics Lesson 1, introducing the S sound. Today we're going to learn to read and write the S sound. Capital S for the start of sentences, names and places, and small s for everything else. Can you write the S in the air? Let's air write. Put your finger on the B or point at your finger at the B and follow the B as he flies around the S. Say S. Can you see how he goes up and round and back, down and round? Let's do that again. Say S. As you follow the B, point your finger at the B and say S. In your workbook, you will find a page that looks like this. See if you can write some S sounds with your pencil. Follow the dots round. Start at the green dot and head to the red dot. Pause the video and write some S sounds. Let's play a listening game. In your workbook, you will find a page with sets of 3 boxes. These 3 boxes represent the 3 sounds in a word. What I want you to do is listen to the word when I say it and decide if the S sound is at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. Let's have a go. Here's the word sun. Is the S sound at the beginning, middle or end in the word sun? Let's break it down and listen. S-un. Can you hear the 3 different sounds that make the word sun? S-un. Sun. One more time. Decide where that S sound is and write it in. Listen. S-un. Pause the video and write the S sound in the right box. The S sound was at the beginning. Did you get it right? Here's the next word. Pass. I pass the ball. Pass. Let's break it down. See if we can hear the 3 different sounds. P-a-s. Pass. P-a-s. Pass. Write the S sound where you think it goes in the word. Pause the video and have a go. Did you get it right? The S sound is at the end of the word. Here's the next one. Ask. Ask a question. Ask. Let's see if we can hear the 3 sounds. Ask. Ask. Can you hear the S sound? Say it with me. Ask. Ask. Pause the video and write in the S sound. you get it right? The S sound was in the middle of the word. Ask. Here's the next one. Snow. Snow. Can you hear the three sounds? S-n-o. Snow. I'll do it one more time. S-n-o. Where was the S sound? Was it at the beginning, the middle or the end? Pause the video and write it in. Did you get it right? The S sound was at the beginning of the word. Snow. Cos. That's a strange word. It's a type of lettuce. Cos. Can you hear the three sounds in the word cos? Let's break it down and listen. K, O, S. Try again. K, O, S. Can you hear the S sound? One last time. K, O, S. Pause the video and write the S sound in the right box. Did you get it right? The S sound was at the end of the word. Sock. 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 Can you hear the three sounds? S, O, K. Pause the video and write the S sound where you think it should go. S, O, K. Did you get it right? The S was at the start of the word. Sock. Now we're going to play a game. Here are some picture cards. I'll say the word. What I want you to do is decide, is there a S sound in the word? It could be anywhere in the word. It doesn't have to be at the beginning. It could be at the beginning, the middle or the end. As we go through, before I turn the card over, you decide, is there a S sound? Are we ready? Apple. Is there a S sound in apple? What do you think? Is there a S sound? No. What about the next one? Snake. Say the word snake. Is there a S sound in snake? What do you think? Let's have a look. Oh, I think I saw a S. There is a S sound in snake. Let's do the next one. Pig. Pig. I can hear three sounds, but is there a S? What do you think? No S sound in pig. What's the next picture? That's a sock. Can we break down the sounds in S, O, K? Is there a S in sock? Of course there is. Sock starts with a S sound. Tree. Is there a S in tree? Tree. What do you think? Can't see anything. No S in tree. The next word is rainbow. Is there a S in rainbow? What do you think? No S sound in rainbow. look, a snowman. Is there a S in snowman? Oh, I think I can see a snowman. It starts with a S sound. The next picture is a van. Van. Is there a S sound in van? What do you think? No, no S in van. What about spoon? Does spoon have a S sound? Spoon. I think I can see a S. Yes, spoon starts with S. Spoon. What about ball? Does ball have a S sound in it? Ball. What do you think? No, no S sound in ball. Sun. Is there a S in sun? Have a guess. Of course, sun starts with a S. And the last word is house. Is there a S in house? Yes, the S sound is at the end, isn't it? House. I hope you got those right. You could try finding other objects in your house that have a S sound in them. Now we're going to do some reading together. We're going to read a book called Sam and Anna at the Seaside. I'm going to read it first, then you read along with me. When we read, we start on the left and work our way across the page. We do the top row, then we come back to the left and do the bottom row. Can you see that the S sounds are in red? Watch out for the S sounds and see if you can hear them as I'm reading. It is a sunny summer day and Sam and Anna are at the seaside. Join in with me. I'll go slower this time. And when we get to the S sound, say the S with me. Are we ready? It is a sunny summer day and Sam and Anna are at the seaside. Let's do that again. Did you say the S sounds when we came to them? It is a sunny summer day and Sam and Anna are at the seaside. Well done. I'll read the next page and you join in along with me when I do it again. So keep an eye on those red S sounds because you'll be reading them in a second. Sam and Anna splash happily in the shallows. The shallows are where the sea is not very deep. The sea laps over their sandals. Are we ready? Say the S sounds when you see them. Sam and Anna splash happily in the shallows. The sea laps over their sandals. Let's do that again. Are we ready? Sam and Anna splash happily in the shallows. The sea laps over their sandals. Sandals are a type of shoe, aren't they? Oh, look, a crab. I'll read it first, then you join in a second, but keep an eye out for those s sounds. Sam sees a crab scampering sideways along the sand. He lifts it gently in his hands. Are we ready? Say the s when you see it. Sam sees a crab scampering sideways along the sand. He lifts it gently in his hands. Shall we do that again? Are we ready? Sam sees a crab scampering sideways along the sand. He lifts it gently in his hands. Would you lift a crab above the sand? Or would you be scared it might bite you? He's very brave. Oh look, he's put it back down. Let me read it first, but keep an eye on those red s sounds. Here we go. Sam sets the crab back down on the sand. It scuttles away sideways. Sam sets the crab back down on the sand. It scuttles away sideways. Did you know that crabs walk sideways? And this word here, scuttles, that's a kind of a fast walking. It's walking away quickly. Your turn. Read along with me and say the s sounds. Are we ready? Sam sets the crab back down on the sand. It scuttles away sideways. Let's do that again. Are we ready? Read those sounds with me. Sam sets the crab back down on the sand. It scuttles away sideways. Well done. Now it's time to do some writing. In your workbook, you will find a page with some captions like this. I would like you to pause the video and write in the s sounds. Listen to the sentence first. A seagull swoops past. Pause the video and write in the s sounds. Did you get them right? Can we read it together now? You say the s sounds when we come to them. A eagle swoops past. Well done. Let's try the next one. I'll read it for you and then you can write in the s sounds. Sam sat on the sand. Now, can you see that this box is bigger than the others? Because in this box, this is the start of the sentence and also a person's name, Sam. So we need the capital S, which is bigger. So make sure that you put a much bigger S in this box than the ones in the other boxes. Pause the video and have a go. Sam sat on the sand. Did you get that right? Can you see that my capital S is bigger than the other S's? S. Let's try the next one. A castle at last. A castle at last. Pause the video and write in the S sounds. Did you get it right? Let's try the next one. A bird swoops past. A bird swoops past. Write in your S sounds. Pause the video and have a go. Did you get it right? I'm sure you did. Have a look at this one. Sun, sea and sand. Sun, sea and sand. Don't forget, at the start of a sentence, we will need the capital letter. That's why this box is bigger than the other two. Have a go. Pause the video and write in your S sounds. Did you get it right? Did you make a capital letter at the start? Well done. Sam sat in the sun. Sam sat in the sun. Don't forget the capital letter. It's a person's name and it's the start of a sentence. Pause the video and have a go. I hope you managed to make your first S sound bigger than the others. Did you manage to do the capital letter? Well done. In your workbook, you will find a worksheet like this. What you have to do is find all the S sounds and put a circle around them. The first one has been done for you, but can you find the others? And that's our lesson for today. You can carry on practicing writing S sounds in your workbook. I hope you have enjoyed learning about S. See how many S sounds you can find in the rest of the day. See you next time.